self-service business intelligence, reporting, and analytics service.
Zoho Analytics lets you connect a wide range of data sources, including locally stored files, cloud drives, local or cloud databases, popular business apps, and custom applications.
All of this can be done in 3 simple steps. Import data into Zoho Analytics, create visualizations, and gain actionable insights with our easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. Share insights, collaborate with your colleagues, and make data-driven business decisions. Because data comes from diverse sources and in a variety of formats, Zoho Analytics lets you connect to a wide range of data sources, such as locally stored files, cloud drives, local or cloud databases, popular business applications, and your own custom apps. Let's start by uploading an Excel file containing sample sales data. As you can see, Zoho Analytics identifies the column names, the type of data in each column, and imports the file. You can easily view, transform, and prepare data for better analysis and reporting using our spreadsheet-style interface. Zoho Analytics has an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface that allows you to create intuitive and interactive reports and dashboards. It also offers a wide range of visualization options, such as charts, pivot tables, tabular views, KPI widgets, and dashboards. Zoho Analytics contains over 40 types of charts and provides a wide range of options that let you customize how your chart looks and behaves. To create a chart, in the Chart Designer, drag and drop columns in the corresponding shelves. Choose the data functions you want to apply. Apply filters to the chart. This way, you will only view the required data. What's more, you can easily switch between chart types with the click of a button and set drill-down functions that help you understand the composition of your data. With Zoho Analytics, you can create powerful pivot tables. Let's say you want to know the sales for a product category over the years. Drag and drop the appropriate fields into the corresponding data shelves. Select the required data function. Pivot tables come with interactive options that let you drill down to specific data points, sort data columns, show or hide subtotals, visually highlight data cells in a pivot table by setting matching criteria with the conditional formatting option, and apply themes to give your pivot table a unique look. Dashboards are useful because they give you an overview of your key performance indicators. Zoho Analytics' easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface creates interactive and visually appealing dashboards. Just drag and drop the reports you've already created into the design area to quickly create a dashboard. You can organize reports in a flexible multi-column layout to design the dashboard the way you want it. Dashboards are highly customizable. Make them your own by adding KPI widgets, rich text, images, and much more. Set up filters in your dashboards that allow users to change how they view the data. Apply pre-built themes or build your own theme to customize your dashboard's appearance. Zoho Analytics comes with deep analytics capabilities that will enable you to extract powerful insights out of your data. It can interpret your data and auto-generate reports and dashboards. The powerful formula engine helps you derive business metrics and capture your key performance indicators. Plan for future events with its forecasting and predictive capabilities. Ask questions in natural language and get analytical answers instantly. Set up data alerts to be notified of any changes to your key business performance indicators or targets. Quickly collaborate with peers and reach business decisions faster using the sharing and publishing options in Zoho Analytics. You no longer have to email data or search for a report in a long list of emails. Zoho Analytics lets you privately communicate with your colleagues and business associates. You can control data access and actions through fine-grained permissions. Start a contextual comment thread and instantly collaborate with users on a report or dashboard. Add an image, annotate images and screenshots, or go back to see the entire comment history. You can either share your views within private groups or reach out to a wider audience using the various publishing options of Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics lets you generate URLs for standalone access to any report or dashboard. Embed your reports and dashboards in websites, web applications, and blogs, and embed your visualizations in slideshows. Zoho Analytics also lets you generate PDF, HTML, Excel, CSV, and image files. You can send them via email and schedule automatic mailings. With its various rebranding features, Zoho Analytics adapts to your organization's identity. Our white labeling option lets businesses and ISVs completely rebrand Zoho Analytics to either serve from a custom portal or seamlessly embed in their application. Zoho Analytics also offers powerful APIs that developers, ISVs, and system integrators can incorporate into their existing applications, giving them powerful reporting and analytical capabilities. Take your insights wherever you go with our powerful mobile BI app. Sign up for Zoho Analytics and start visualizing your data today. Zoho Analytics, analytics for